And the definition of this is written out here, and as you can see, we have it written as a fraction. It's the number of favorable outcomes, or what you want, over the total number of outcomes. And we have it written as a fraction here, but probability can be expressed as a fraction, a ratio, or as a percent. I'm going to go through an example here now with you, hopefully a easy example for everybody to see. And our example is, what is the probability of flipping a coin one time and getting heads? So based on our definition of probability above, we need to identify what the favorable outcomes are, which is what we want. And what we want to do is land on heads. So here is our favorable outcomes. There's one of them. Then what are the total number of outcomes of this event of flipping a coin? We could land on heads, but we could also land on tails. So with that being said, we need to find our probability. Our probability would be favorable outcomes over total number of outcomes, and we're going to write it as a fraction, as a ratio, and as a percent. So looking at this here, as a fraction, favorable outcomes is 1. There's only 1. Total number of outcomes is 2. As a ratio, it would be 1 dot dot 2, kind of like a fraction written on its side. And as a percent, everybody should realize that 1/2 or 1 over 2 is in fact 50%. So probability can be written in different ways.